Hello, and welcome again to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can start making money online by selling simple digital products like printables, planners, social media templates or ebooks, using free online marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle. I also have a free Notion template for you with 100 popular niche product ideas, so keep watching to the end. Now, what if you want to get started, but have no technical or design skills? No problem. All it takes to create a digital product is a computer or laptop, a free Canva or Google Docs account, and a bit of creativity. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose a niche that you love or know a lot about, maybe productivity, journaling, budgeting, sports, or small business tips. I wrote a list with 100 different popular niches. You can pause this video to pick a niche that you're interested in if you don't have any ideas where to start. If you want to download the Notion template, click the link in the description below this video. You may be asked to open a free Notion account to download the file. Step 2. Use Canva to quickly design a digital product, like a planner, checklist, personalized greeting cards, or social media templates for Pinterest or Instagram. Canva is free to join, and the basic account will give you thousands of free designs that you can modify and make your own. Or you can use Google Docs and create an ebook or short info report. Open a new document in Google Docs to write your book, and when done, download the file as a PDF document and submit your finished digital product to Gumroad, Etsy or Amazon Kindle Publishing. Just be sure to keep the layout clean and easy to read. Create a standout cover and write a clear, compelling description with the right keywords and tags, so your product will be found. Step 3. Market your product online so people know that it's there for them to buy and download. Share your product on social media sites like Pinterest and Instagram. These are perfect for visual products and drive great traffic to your product sales page. If your book is on Amazon Kindle, and you have used the right keywords and tags, then Amazon will do all the work for you and bring your book in front of potential customers. If you want to find out all the step-by-step details, grab my book, Make Money Selling Digital Products for Beginners, now available on Gumroad. I will drop the link in the description below. Whether you're looking to pay off debt or stop living paycheck to paycheck, this is a path you can follow. With simple strategies, helpful tools, and a full launch plan included, Make Money Selling Digital Products makes it easy to start from zero and build your first online income stream. You'll even get a 7-day plan to launch your first product and make your first $100. Thanks again for tuning in, and don't forget to leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest money-making videos first. Have a great day and see you soon.